Hey guys, this is Srikanth here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to host HTML pages on GitHub. Let's get started. So right now I'm on github.com and I'm going to create a new project. So I'm going to create some empty project called HTML pages. Okay, it can be any name of your choice and I'm going to select it appropriately, public or private. Right now public is fine. Add a readme file if required. Yeah. And then I'm going to create repository. So once the repository is there, I'm going to clone this using GitHub desktop. Just fill this form and just click on open in Visual Studio Code, and it is open now, right? So let me open some home.html page here. Okay, so I'm going to create a basic website over here. So if I just right click over here and open in browser, okay, it will just show me some basic content. So now my website is ready. So let me push this to GitHub. So in GitHub desktop, you can see that it has already populated. There is a change that has been made, and then I can commit it like this, and then I can push to origin. So now if I go back to Git and refresh, now I got all my code into GitHub. Okay, so here I got the home.html page. If I open it, I got the code. Now I want to convert this. In order to start hosting of this home.html, I'm going to go to settings, pages. Here we got GitHub pages. So in the build and deployment, it says deploy from a branch. Let's select. Okay, it is saying deploy from branch. That's fine. Branch. Here I have to select the branch. Let me select main, and then I have to select the. Okay, I think it's the roots. That's okay. Yeah. Now click on save. Now let me refresh this page. It is now hosted. So let's click here. It says HTML pages. Let me give home.html. Yeah, here you see it is hosted. Hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.